Welcome to MoneyWise Alpha. Here are the three main focus areas of this publication: money, being wise, and becoming alpha. Now, just a little bit about myself. My name is Christian John Salas. I am the author of the Amazon book entitled Bitcoin Money, the Top 20 Ways to Make Income with Cryptocurrencies. I'm the lead blog writer for MoneyWiseAlpha.com, the blog site. I'm also a cryptocurrency investor, trader, miner, staker, lender, educator, and blogger. So basically, all of the above. Also, I distribute health and wellness products. Formerly, I was a senior product manager and investment manager for a venture capital firm. For my academic background, I have a dual MBA with a focus on international business from Staffordshire University in the UK, and from Malaysia, Asia Pacific University of Technology too. And additionally, I have a BS in computer science from the California Polytechnic State University in San Luis Obispo. I was born in the Philippines but grew up in the US and worked in Singapore for a bit. I moved back to Southeast Asia because of the phenomenal opportunity here, because there's so much growth potential, in my opinion. I'm also a certified project manager with over 14 plus years experience in full stack web development and mobile development as well. So our first focus area is money. Subtopic is financial literacy. So in order to be good with money, you should increase your financial vocabulary, definitely. You need to be aware of many different financial terms, strategies, topics, aware of the leaders, aware of different types of markets. So this all encompasses financial literacy. Also, with respect to investing, definitely if you want to be good with money in the long term, you need to know how to do fundamental investments for all sorts of markets as well. Also, I started trading back in 2010 with stocks, but that market's sort of overvalued now. So recently I'm more into cryptocurrencies and commodities, but I do a lot of technical analysis. I'm not the best at one out there, but I know a thing or two, I would say. And lastly, achieving financial freedom. Now, in order to do this, you should have a few passive income streams. So we'll discuss different strategies of creating passive income streams. I don't know a lot of them, so if any of you guys have suggestions, I welcome them. Our second area of focus is on becoming wise, wisdom, definitely. So we will look back into history about monetary systems that worked in the past and didn't work, and how the monetary system evolved through time. It's very important. We'll also talk about disruptive technologies. A favorite technology of mine is cryptocurrencies right now. Bitcoin, blockchain, also like artificial intelligence, machine learning, green technologies. So all sorts of disruptive technologies will be discussed. Okay. Lastly, geopolitics. This is very important topic that the mainstream media does not discuss too much at all. So you have to be aware of geopolitics both for your financial well-being and overall well-being as well. Lastly, we'll discuss becoming alpha, of course, as the name of the website implies. So you should be your own boss. You could become an entrepreneur. You make your own schedule. You're in charge of your own income. So it takes a lot of balls, lots of guts to become an entrepreneur. But that's something I'm currently in the process of doing. Also health and wellness, because it's important, of course, to stay healthy and become well in order to achieve all your goals in life. Right? Also social dominance, being a social leader, presentation skills. This is stuff I'm still working on myself, so I welcome any input that you guys have. And lastly, spiritual and energy maintenance. There's always room for development, in my opinion, especially if you get burnt out, you need to recharge yourself. So there's, of course, for once in a while, you have to do some leisurely activities, so you're not so serious. You have to continuously do self-improvement as well, and keep that. Actually, for your entire life, you should be doing that. Okay. And here's for the MoneyWiseAlpha.com website, our basic structure. We will have blogs. Some blog articles might have a video component, so a video log. Also, of course, we have products, anything from ebooks to paperbacks to audiobooks to videos and health and wellness products that you can purchase through the website, and of course we'll accept cryptocurrencies as payment. Also recommendations. These are recommendations we have compiled from our sponsors for good services and products that you can use, and additional ways that you might be able to make some income as well. So highly recommend you guys look into this. Lastly, affiliates. I'm giving the opportunity for people to visit my website to become affiliates. If you apply and you become approved, you can get up to 50% commission on our digital products. So that's my overall website structure. It's my hope through MoneyWise Alpha to build a community of like-minded individuals who strongly believe in self-improvement, including myself and my close family and friends, so that we can share knowledge with one another in order to become more money-wise alphas. So stay tuned and please share, like, and follow this publication. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.